Hello everybody, I'm glad to welcome you to yet another video in the series of Wealth and Cycle. This is number 11. Now, what are we going to talk about? We are talking about adaptability. All right, in so many ways, a person who wants to create wealth has to be comfortable with adaptation, adapting to changes in the market, changes in whatever is happening in the environment. It could be war, it could be natural disasters, it could be anything. Just like Bruce Lee says, right? Water has no form, it has no color, it has no shape. So it takes the shape of the container that it gets into. So if the container is square shape, the water takes that shape, becomes square. If the container is round, the water takes that shape, becomes round. So be water, be formless, adapt to some of the changes that may not be favorable to what you're doing before you started your endeavors. Another illustration goes like this: a green snake in a green grass. So if you have a green snake in a green grass, this means that this snake has the same color as the grass. It's more like the camouflage soldiers wear. So if you meet them in the forest and the places like that, it is not easy to spot them out. They blend with the environment where they find themselves. So if you are in a new environment and you're trying to earn, create wealth, somehow you need to adapt to the activities in the environment, the kind of food they eat, some of the things they do. Try to adapt. But mind you, it is completely different from conformity. You cannot conform, period. So let us look at a little difference between adapting, okay, green snake in a green grass, and water being formless and shapeless and taking the shape of the container it finds in itself, and being different, still being different and doing what it is meant to do. That that water took the shape of this container does not mean that it is no longer water. Okay, that a snake is green and is not being able to, it's not visible to anybody. Nobody is going to spot it out. Doesn't mean that it has changed from being a snake. It can still bite as fast. All right. It can still move the way a snake moves. All right. So these are important things you need to know. Even if you are in an environment and you adapt to the environment, you still know what you have, who you are, how different you are from the environment. Snake cannot be the grass. It's just the same color with the grass, but it's not the grass. Water cannot be the container. It's a different thing from the container, different characteristics. So be water, okay? Be a green snake in a green grass in your activities. Try to adapt to some of the changes that the environment may bring that are not in your power to control or to change. All right? So, peace. Goodbye.